Welcome and thank you for having a look at my course about affiliates. My name is Devin Campbell and I'm going to be your instructor for the course. I'm so happy that you're here. Now, what I want to do is I want to start off by telling you a little bit about me and my background. So I've been an online entrepreneur for over 5 years. I make lots of money online. And one of the things that I specialize in is affiliates. That's one of the avenues that I use to make money. So what I'm going to do in this course is I'm going to talk to you about affiliates. So now let's talk about some of the things that we are going to cover in this course. So one of the things that I'm going to talk to you about and to show you is how to make money with affiliates. Now, you might already be making money with affiliates, or you might not. But I'm going to give you some additional ideas of things you could do to make money when you're working with affiliates. Then I'm going to provide you a list of at least 10 affiliates that you can begin to work with right away. One of the companies on this list is Apple. I'm sure everybody's heard of Apple.com. They're really, probably the most popular company in the world. But a lot of people don't know is that you could sign up to be an affiliate with Apple and promote some of their products, right? So I will provide everybody with that link. Then I'm going to provide you with some guidelines. Now, the reason why I put this in here is because I already know that there are thousands of affiliates out there. And on my list, you might want to maybe choose another affiliate to work with that I have not recommended. So I'm just going to give you some guidelines and some things to think about if that is the case. Last but not least, I'm going to talk to you about getting started. Now, if you are watching this and you want to develop a stream of income or start an online business, that's what I'm going to talk to you about. I'm going to talk to you about how to get started making money with an affiliate. So that's it in a nutshell. So all you need to do is just click on the Roll Now button and I'll see you in the course.